Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Man, I just went on a huge rant, giving a huge speech for 5 minutes, only to realize that I was not recording. Unbelievable, but you know what? This is why they call me the Relentless Ranter and the Pastor, because as I'm going to continue to talk, the words will come back to me. And so, let it begin. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday I came into the markets and I underperformed. I was frustrated, more so than I've been in a long time. After the first 10-15 minutes of the day, I knew that, that was it. I wanted to shut it down and walk away. And so today I told myself, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to look to improve. I'm going to look to be more focused. I'm going to look to be better. And I started off the day with some positive affirmations, telling myself that I am capable. I am able to be disciplined. I am able to be consistent. I am able to multitask and remember all my key indicators as I trade. And so said, so done. We came in today and we dominated the markets. We came in today and we put forth our best trading. And that's what I expect from myself each and every day that I show up here. The outcome does not matter, red or green, big or small. As long as I put forth my best effort, I will always be satisfied with the day. And so I am proud to say that today was an excellent day. And the message of this recap, the message and the theme of this recap, guys, do not allow the current moment, the hardship in the current moment and or in the past to dictate your performance going forward in the future. Let's be quick to accept and move on. Let's be quick to realize that there's still more opportunities and chances coming at us. And so only with a clear mind can we move forward and move forward efficiently and effectively. If we allow the frustration, if we allow the anger to blind us, we will not be able to make progress. We will digress and go down, maybe potentially into that downward spiral. So let's do what is necessary to ensure success. Let's do what is hard to ensure success. And as we head into the weekend, let's do what is necessary to ensure success. Study for that 5 minutes, that 10 minutes, that 20 minutes, whatever it might mean. Let's do what is necessary to ensure success. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no feeling like knowing that you did your best and you performed well, no matter the outcome. So with that being said, hit that thumbs up. Let's get into some of the technicals of today's trading. It was another beautiful day in the markets. In just an hour of trading, we were able to make $2,300, guys. $2,300 here today, trading stock TSAT. Stock TSAT was the one. We did have some red trades, and we'll start off there. TNGX. This was a recent mover, and you guys will see that on TNGX year to date, I'm still green at 2,200, but we definitely gave a lot off the top, after today's session. We started off here in the front side of this push up 250. Small size at first, wanted to get a good bearing on the stock. But after this move up, we could not get anything going. And we ended up giving back on the move down right here. I believe we might have gotten caught in this red candle. And then for a 5-minute setup over here, as we tried to be in at VWAP area, holding longer for the potential curl back up to the upside, which never came. So sometimes you got to go in and you might have a losing trade, but that's okay. You take it, you accept the risk before you even enter. So when it does happen, it's no problem and you exit. But anyhow, it's down 462 right there. And now for the other big stock of the day, stock TSAT. This is the one that we were able to do well on. So this stock started pre-market, right? Pre-market around 7 a.m. rips up nicely, and from lows all the way around 970 to a high of 1648. So I'm watching at it and I'm like, man, can we see a curl back to the upside coming into the open? That's not quite what we had, but what we did get was a huge range. This thing started off going from a high of 1310 down to 1177. And then from 1177, it rips up to 1273. From 1273, it rips up to 1373, and then a high of 1389. So it had a huge range in here, and with a slightly bigger size, 2,400 shares, 2,800 shares, 2,500 shares, taking on a lot of risk, we were able to capitalize. We were accurate, and we were able to make about $1 a share. So TSAT, where was our first entry? Relentless Trader, where do you buy? Where do you sell? How do you know where to go in? Guys, I've been trading for 5 years, and there's been a lot of trial and error. There's been tons of days and weeks and months of hard work going into reading candlesticks, understanding price action via the ladder, via level 2. And so I'm watching these stocks as they're curling up, and the first potential entry here that I saw was the break of 1273. I did miss the double bottom. For people who are watching it closely down here, it came down from it came down exactly to this price of 77 and held nicely. So there's an entry potentially if you're paying attention. Second entry, as we make the new high right here. High point 73, it dips down to a low 42, back over 73, and I believe I even missed this trade as well. Once I came, I believe it was already pushing up, and then from there, we had the high of this current area in pre-market, right? And then even high of day itself, which was at 1310. So we can put some trend lines in here, 1310, and then the high point right here was 1335. So over these two levels, also potential entry. And can we see a move up to the high of the pre-market level that we had, which was all the way up at 1648. So we've already looked at a couple of entries. I took these two coming up higher. It pulls back right here, and it pulls back into the previous high. So I then buy down here again, and then it rips back up. So this is another entry potentially. It rips back up, and then it comes down, and then it rips back up again. So down here even presented another opportunity, and let's put another arrow right there, and then it broke down. And so from here, it got a little tricky. It did give some bounce opportunities after making this first initial low. 1, 2, 3. It tries for high of day, doesn't quite get there. And so there's even a break of VWAP entry here, but we did have a bit of a wick, so this was a little difficult. Comes back down again, and it's a more elongated this time, but it breaks down and then it rips back up. Tricky here, but potential opportunities nevertheless. So for those of you who might want to learn these strategies, right, who might want to be able to trade on your own, and give yourself a chance of potentially becoming successful, I do have a day trading course, and it is called Merciless Markets. These markets are merciless, and we don't want to get caught slipping on these Wall Streets, because they will take our money. The big bankers, the big institutions, the big firms, the big investors, they will take all of our money. So it's important to understand how to manage risk. It's important to understand how to be disciplined, and how to proceed with caution, how to approach the market in a low risk way, in a methodical way. And so for those of you who might want to learn the strategy, it's here, and it's well organized. It's easy to digest. It goes forward in a very progressive manner. And so if you are interested in MMU, Merciless Markets University, be sure to check out the curriculum and utilize coupon code VEGAS for 40% off. Coupon code VEGAS for 40% off either MMU Gold or MMU Silver. MMU Gold, our yearly subscription; Silver, our quarterly subscription. So you guys can get 40% off the $9.97 or 40% off the $5.97. Now, for those of you who do select the gold membership, you guys will be entered into a raffle for a chance to win a trip to Las Vegas. There's a big conference going on called Traders for a Cause, and it's a seminar style conference where a lot of big VIP traders will be there. People from Investors Underground, Brian Rivera, humble trader, right? Big YouTubers and day traders alike will be at this conference. And so Marcelo and I, the other mentor here in the community, we will be going there and we will be flying out one lucky member, a gold member that is, to come and hang out with us for the weekend as we look to learn and grow. So I will fix this. It will be $5.98 after the update, after the coupon, sorry. So you can get a chance at MMU. Guys, do not miss out on this sweet, sweet offer. All right. So we've covered over the trades I took today. We spoke a little bit about the theme of the recap. We spoke about how you guys could potentially learn if you want to deep dive into it. Guys, this is where I'm going to wrap it up. The live streams that I do every day, the recaps that I do every day will always be here for those of you who are looking forward to free content. For those of you who might want to learn a little faster and get everything in one place, you guys can check out the course. For everybody else, you know, let's continue grinding. I mean, all of us, no matter who you are, let's keep grinding, let's keep growing, let's keep progressing, let's keep moving forward. It's been another beautiful day. Every day that I'm disciplined is a beautiful day, and I expect Monday to be no less. So I'll see you guys then, bright and early, 9:15 a.m. for another beautiful day. Guys, are you excited? Are you ready for Monday morning? Are you ready to come in and get another chance? You know, every day we wake up, we get another chance. We get another chance to do what we love, to improve on things, to grow, to learn. People can change. People can change, but it's not easy. You have to be very disciplined. You have to be extremely disciplined, and that is not easy. And so, this field is not for the faint of heart. It is risky. It is difficult. But there is an opportunity here. And are you willing and able to give yourself a chance? That's all I ask for every day, is a chance. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Relentless Trader. And I am signing out. Stay safe, stay green. Do not obsess over the market over the weekends. Enjoy the time with friends, family. Enjoy the other job, the other business, the other project. And we'll be back bright and early. Study up. I'll catch you guys later.